What's up everybody, Jake here. So I just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that I'm still making videos. Reason I haven't been able to get videos up here is because the internet, for most of you who've been following, I don't have really good internet, and it's kind of getting on my nerves a little bit because I really want to start making more videos for you guys, and I just really want to apologize that I haven't been getting any up. With that said, I'm going to show you guys just a quick snippet of what we've had going on here this past spring and summer. Fall harvest is really close. We got beans that are almost dried out. We got corn that's, I did a moisture test 3 days ago and it was at 30%, so we're really close. We probably have some high moisture corn here this week, maybe the week after. Beans about the same time. So just give an overview of the whole year. It's been very wet. August we had 30 inches of rain just in 1 month. We had a couple of days where it was, we had 10 and a half inches in about 3 hours, and we had significant flooding. It was a mess. So there's going to be more stories and stuff coming here in the next couple of videos. I don't know when I'm getting them out, so don't mark me on them. Enjoy this little clip here, and we'll talk to you guys towards the end of the video. farm and some of the things that are going to be happening. For most of you who know, I think I put up a video, we put front duals on the 245. We did like that so much that we put it on the 215 too. So we have both Magnums are strapped around with front duals, and the 245 has a power chip in it. So we got a 30-foot head for the combine, and we also put a 4-foot auger extension on there. We wanted a bigger head for the combine, and we knew that our auger was going to be too short, so we had to get the auger extension for it. So that's really what's been going on here. Nothing else huge. So I'll have some more videos out, hopefully once we're getting started with harvest here. Don't have internet yet. We are working on that though. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. Talk to you guys.